Hi there friends, how are you doing today? My name is Dara and I am up here again with another unboxing video. Today with me I have the Veikk 10x6" graphics tablet, and that is what I'll be unboxing and reviewing for you today. If this is your first time on my channel, please do also like and subscribe so you get notified when I post new videos up in here. Let's just go ahead and unbox this baby and see how it feels. So let's go ahead and open up the Veikk A50 pen tablet. It's a battery-free pen with 250 pps report rate, 580 LPI resolution, and 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity. So let's go ahead and tear it open. This is sort of harder than I thought. Yep. Look at that ripped open. And let's open it up. There's a box in a box. Alright, are you ready? Ta-da! This is what it looks like on the inside. So here I got the tablet itself, then I got a USB-C cable, USB-C to USB-A cable, then I got a pen with a nice casing. Then I get a driver download instruction pack right here. Nice. Any other thing in the box that I should know of? Seems there's some other stuff. Alright. Okay, so there it goes. So we have the quick start guide and then the nib replacement and the nib removal tool. And outside of all of that, there's nothing else on the box. So I'm just gonna pack this aside and finish setting up the Veikk A50 Graphics tablet. So I'm just gonna unwrap the wire here. That is ready to be plugged to my computer. Then the quick start guide, I have to read this to get started quickly. And then of course my main point is the actual tablet. So I'm just gonna rip this open. And see what we got here. So one thing I like so much about this is it has a uniform body design. These keys, according to the manual and the website, they are shortcut keys that you can customize to open apps. And this is the sort of touchpad where you can control gestures on the graphics tablet and some other keys. So you have a total of 8 shortcut keys and a trackpad that goes up or down or right or left. And then at the back, you have this dot matrix design and a rubber base that makes it stand firmly on the table. So it's pretty much sturdy when it's on the table for you to do your work. And of course there's the pen, there's the click option and the eraser option for the pen, and you have a 10" by 6" work area. If you were to make a portrait, you can connect this to your Android device and work with it, but mostly I'll be using this with my PC for my training videos and for my live classes. There's the nibs, extra nibs, and the nib removal tool. I'm not sure I'll be needing this quite yet, so I'll just go ahead and store it up with a quick start guide. And what I'll do next is go ahead to my system to download the driver and finish setting this up. So on the driver download instruction card, I see I need to go to veikk.com. That's veikk.com. So I'm just gonna open up my browser. That's veikk.com, and then I'll go ahead to download my driver. go to the downloads area and download for Windows. Once download is completed, I will open up the setup. I get a prompt and I allow that. Okay, now I'm ready to install. I click on install and it takes a couple of moments to download and install the drivers for me. I guess this is a multi-device driver. And once that is done, I'll check this box to start the driver. So I'll click on complete. And I guess I should be ready to go. So there's an app called Veikk Tablet that is installed on my machine. So that is loading up by checking for updates first before running. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead to plug this up to my computer. So to the left hand side, because I'm right-handed, there is a USB-C port where I would plug in the cable. So there's a button also here for activating and deactivating the trackpad. So I'll go ahead and hook this up to my computer now. Then it shows me that I'm connected to the Veikk A50 tablet, and it says I got a pen attached to it. Right, so I could set the actions for each of the buttons on the pen. So that is the top and bottom keys. I could check the pressure if I want. So by tapping down here, I can check the current pen pressure, and I could map this. So it's telling me here, so I have 3 monitors connected to my display. So what I want to do is I'll set this to connect to my monitor number 3. Now I have the Veikk graphics tablet mapped to my second monitor. Right here, you can see me moving the mouse around the screen and it doesn't pass the bounds of my screen. So what I can do now is go to Microsoft Whiteboard application, because that is mainly what I'll be using for my illustrations, and do my drawings because I'm a technical instructor. So I could draw my architecture diagrams, I could illustrate while I'm in class, and everything would look quite well and good. Or maybe sometime I might try some artistic stuff, but of course that is not a discussion that I want to take up right now. So pretty much the graphic tablet looks good enough for what it does. It's a promise for money, and it's really works well. So pretty much that is the Veikk A50 Graphics tablet. For me, I'll be using it mainly for illustrations during my classes, and this is the tool I'll be using it with. You can test out your other tools you'll be using with, and you can do a customization of the application and see it work out for you. If you're a graphics person, you're an artist, you're a designer, you're an illustrator, this pen comes in handy. The tablet also comes in handy. So if you like this video, do well to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the description, in the comment section below rather. So till I come your way again with yet another unboxing video, stay well and stay safe. Goodbye.